Hey guys, for today's video we are doing an easy, messy, high updo hairstyle. I love this one and I hope you guys do too, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of brush through my hair. Now you'll wanna decide if you wanna leave any hair out or put it all back in a ponytail. I think I'm just gonna leave a couple face framing pieces. These are gonna be curled, so I think that'll look good, I think. All right, tighten it, make sure it is high like this. And while we're doing this, you wanna make sure you get your curling iron turned on. I am using this 0.75 inch from Beachwaver. You can use whatever. All right, next up, what we are gonna do is we're gonna take our ponytail and we're gonna spread it around itself like this. So you want your ponytail to look like that. You're gonna take another hair tie. I'm just taking a clear elastic and you're just gonna kind of scrunch it all together like that. So hold on to it and just put a hair tie over it. Should look something like that. And I'm just gonna kind of fluff that out a little bit. All right, so now we have all of this hair hanging out. So that is when our curling iron is gonna come into play. So what you're gonna do is just curl it. And I like doing it this way versus having to curl my entire head. I can just curl this like little bit right here. Boom. Okay, once you've curled your hair, it should look something like this. I forgot to mention to make sure to use a heat protectant. I forgot. And I was thinking about it and I was like, crap, I should go get my heat protectant, but honestly, I'm just too lazy to go get it. You don't be lazy, protect that hair. So now, the easy part. You are just gonna take a section of hair from whichever side, it doesn't matter. So I do about, I don't know, 1 inch sections. So I'm just gonna start on one side, twist it around my finger, and go to the other side. And then I just pin. I stick my bobby pin up in it like this. And I just leave it kind of hanging out like that. If you have super long hair, you might want to wrap it around further, but it all is dependent on your hair length. We all have different hair. So now do the same thing with the opposite section of hair. Just twist it and then drape it across, doing the same thing. Stick a bobby pin up into it. Again, taking like an inch section. If you have really thin hair, you might say, I don't even have an inch of hair, that's fine, take smaller sections. So again, I'm just gonna drape it over, pin it. So now I've got this last section here. So I'm just gonna pull open just a twist here. So you can see my finger, I'm gonna twist it and just pull it through. Like that, and then bobby pin. Then you just need to kind of move it around a little bit, tug on it. I've got this piece right here that's bothering me, so I'm just gonna bobby pin it down. And I will come back to everything in a minute. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl these pieces because they're bothering me. Make sure you curl your ends and then just kind of brush through it a little bit. Same thing with over here. Be careful not to burn yourself. This is really close to my scalp. So now some of these pieces that are hanging down, I'm kind of like, I don't like the look of it. Just gonna bring them around the front and bobby pin. So it's really all just kind of personal preference how you want your bun to look. But just going back and forth, that's all you need to do. And then I'm just kind of pinching and pulling things. I'm gonna pinch and pull the top. Give some volume here. Now my hair does like to fall in the back. Like I have all this like hair growth. So I like to just pull a little bit out and take my curling iron to it and just see like this right here, all this growth. Be very careful, but take my curling iron to it and curl it. Cute. Now I've got some ends hanging in the back that aren't curled. So I'm gonna go ahead and just curl these. I think I'm gonna kind of break up that section of hair. So I'm just gonna split it right down the middle. Just gonna bring this section up. I'm gonna give it a little twist. Bobby pin. Give this one a little twist. And that is it. It's seriously that easy. It looks super fancy and it's really not. I mean, it took me between like 5 and 10 minutes to do. So I'm gonna show you my whole head, full 360, and you guys can be the judge if you like it or not. So here's the front. So that is it. That is the tutorial. It is super easy. Perfect really for any occasion. Homecoming, prom, weddings, you name it. It'll be good for it. So I hope you guys like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye.